With brands like Melissa and Doug, Jellycat, and Squishmallows, you wouldn't expect to find a one-of-a-kind cuddly friend at IKEA? IKEA stuffed animals have been taking the internet by storm in recent years, rivaling some of the previously mentioned big brands.
Here's one of their superstars. This is the Jungle Skog, or, as it's pronounced in its homeland of Sweden,
Djungelskog.
This round bear is 22 inches long and 5 inches wide, with a height of 39¼ inches. He only weighs around 3 pounds, making him the perfect size for a plush companion. The Jungle Skog has an infectiously cute expression. Its droopy eyes and tiny ears that contrast its large figure create an adorable silhouette.
He's perfect as a birthday gift, a baby's first stuffed toy, or as your own good friend. Alongside this bear, there's the Blahage. The Blahage has a length of 21¾ inch, width of 7, and a height of 6.5. It's the perfect size to carry around or use as a hug pillow. The Blahage has been deemed by consumers to be a fantastic emotional support buddy, too. Its exceptional softness lives up to the title.
Each of these popular faces usually come in smaller or larger versions. However, there are some that are exclusive to being little. For example, here's a Devar hair. This bunny is 8¼ inch tall, with a soft texture that's easy on sensitive skin and simple to machine wash.
But why choose these over others? Take a look at this stuffed animal. IKEA stuffed animals are still soft, but their durability helps them to resist remolding, unlike this one here. This one's pretty cute too, but it's missing the same charm that these IKEA ones have.
While mostly affordable, some of the IKEA stuffed animal prices can run a bit high, and in the case you need an alternative, Amazon provides a great dupe. There you have it. If you can, we definitely recommend grabbing a cute friend over at IKEA. With unique qualities to boast, each of these stuffed animals have something for everyone.
This is Margaux Cheevers
And Savannah Williams.
CHS Channel 62, signing off.